Hi, my name is Dr. Peter Dobias, and I'm here to answer questions of our website clients and customers. Now, the question today is from Karen, and she says that she has a 13-year-old dog, Malamute Shepherd Cross, and her dog has arthritis in the front and hind legs and incontinence, and her vet recommended that she puts her dog on Metacam. And her concern is that her dog already has elevated liver enzymes even before starting the medication, and if there is any alternative. Now, when it comes to mobility in dogs, the first thing, Karen, you need to do is to determine whether your dog is just stiff due to tight muscles or if there is a joint issue. So that's the first step that you need to take. If you see that there is either back injury or even muscle stiffness, it's good to find a good physiotherapist or chiropractor or massage therapist, or you can even do massage at home. But it's always good to find someone who does have a good understanding of the function of the back and extremities and see what's going on. Obviously, your veterinarian may also be skilled in mobility and muscle and joint injuries. Now, my experience is that most arthritis cases are actually tightness cases and muscle injuries. So just be aware of that. Now, in the steps of preventing arthritis or helping your dogs with arthritis, I usually go through detox first, because the body gets stiff and tight and even arthritic when there is a toxin buildup. So I usually go for detox, and there is a section on our web store, on our healing store on our website, peterdobias.com, where you can actually see what liver cleanse consists of, and that's what I would do for the first as a first step. Usually I use liver cleanse made by Standard Process, which is called Lifton, and that particular product can be used for 1 to 2 months every 6 months. Now, when it comes to inflammation and also additional cleanse, I use Greenman, because Greenman has the ability of cleansing the body. It is great for providing the basic nutrients as minerals and amino acids and essential oils. And I have seen great improvement in mobility in many dogs after starting Greenman. You know, many people believe that if you have a garden that you have to fertilize it. Somehow they forget that if you have a dog, that the dog has to be fertilized as well and has to get the right nutrients. And soils are depleted of minerals and basic nutrients because we've overused them for a long time. And Greenman fills in the gap by providing essential minerals and other nutrients. So Greenman is the second step. And I sometimes like to use Zyflament, which is a turmeric-based anti-inflammatory. It does work on the same level as Metacam, but it doesn't seem to cause the same side effects, and it's much gentler, and it's clinically tested in humans for mobility and arthritis. And I've used it for dogs for the last 4 or 5 years, and it's been really helpful to eliminate any harmful medication such as Metacam. So that's the part on arthritis and stiffness. And when it comes to urinary incontinence, I have seen many dogs with urinary incontinence having actually lumbar injuries, and lumbar area is responsible for supplying the nerve supply to the bladder sphincter. And when dogs go through either chronic long-term inflammation of the muscles along the lumbar spine, or they slip and slide, or just retrieve ball on regular basis and run like crazy crazy dogs for a long time, then the muscles can get tight, and the tightness will impinge the nerves that go to the sphincter. And what I find working the best is a combination of back treatment by chiropractics or physiotherapist, or maybe even acupuncturist, and using homeopathic remedy, which is called phosphoric acid, 1M. And I usually give the remedy 2 weeks apart, just one dose 2 weeks apart, and then within the month things should start getting better. Obviously, you have to eliminate predisposing factors such as unreasonably heavy or intense exercise, such as ball retrieving that lasts for a long time, or excessive swimming. Dogs that get fatigued actually get affected. Now, it doesn't mean that urinary incontinence is not caused by hormonal deficiency as well, but I have seen that most dogs actually respond really well to back treatment and the treatment with phosphoric acid. If you're looking for phosphoric acid 1M, it is available on our website. And I hope this helps those who are having some challenges with dogs with arthritis and urinary incontinence. And I hope that your dog will feel better and will live healthier and longer life naturally. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.